If your oil pressure light comes on and either stays on solid or comes on sometimes, then you may have this issue. But one thing is for sure, you should not be driving the car. First check the oil level. If the oil is low, add oil and see if that takes care of the problem. If you have all kinds of clicks and clack noises from the engine, then you should probably tow the car to a professional to learn if you have serious engine damage or not. If the engine still sounds good and the oil is not very low, then you're in luck, because this video can save your engine. What happens is there is a pickup tube for the oil that's on the bottom of the engine inside the oil pan, and this tube has a screen on the end of it. So chunks and things that are not oil won't get sucked into the engine, and this screen can get clogged. If it does and you keep driving like this, then your engine will be starved of oil and will get damaged very quickly. So if this happens, pull over right away and get the car towed to get it fixed. How do you fix it? I will tell you in a sec. But please, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do it now, as it helps my channel grow. Let's get back to the repair. You will need to remove the oil pan and clean the bottom of the engine, as well as the pan and the pickup tube. When you're done, it should look something like this, and your engine will run great. Just make sure to get oil changes as often as your car needs, and do your research on that, because some manufacturers claim you can go longer between changes. If you want to see the longer version of this video, where I show you how to remove the pan and clean the lower engine properly, follow the link in the description, or find it on my channel. Goodbye. You're done. I hope you enjoyed the video. As always, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and leave me comments below.